It's a bunch of tools, an overdose of tools, isn't it? Yeah. Doesn't the engineer need to know all of these things? It's more about knowing the basics of engineering rather than getting limited to these only specific tools. Very, very, very good. That is why I built, let me bring it up again. That is why I used this concept here. The important part are these basics, and usually what I should have added here, oops, wrong keyboard. Choosing data stores, for instance. So you learn the basics of your stuff, like, okay, what are the basics of engineering? How can I build platforms and pipelines? What are the typical patterns that you find all the time? What's the security looking like? And how to choose basically the tools, how to choose, for instance, a data store, which data stores to choose. And then the idea is to actually not focus on all of these tools here. You shouldn't do that. You should select one or two out of this and actually do this. And oh, whoops, you're still in the picture. Like, you select then what you're interested in, and either this is something you select what interests you, or the even better way is that you then learn, that you do some research. Basically, what is in the job descriptions around me? If you're searching for a job, what is in the job descriptions? What should I learn? And this should then determine what you'll look into. Which tools do you look into? And what I selected here are the tools that I see all the time. That's why I look into these and try to build something with these tools. But that's the way. You don't learn everything. You would do certain capstone projects. Sometimes it's good to even understand, like, okay, what's like, do it, just follow it, look at the videos and understand, okay, what did Andreas do here? What's the purpose of this? That's my goal of teaching all this knowledge and giving you the best options to actually learn.